everybody, what's going on? Today is the first episode of Brodie's Weekly Recap. I am Brodie Hart. Today we'll be reviewing 2014 Super Bowl commercials. Subscribe.
Wagon has the most vehicles on the road with over 100,000 miles.
The new Elantra. Nice. Genesis. From Hyundai.
That was a commercial for a car. What car was it? I keep forgetting to pay attention to the car commercial. Hyundai, right? Hyundai. About Camry. Was it Camry?
No.
Oh. Volkswagen. I don't even have a car. The subject was completely different from it was about a weird breed of dog that doesn't exist when it was a car commercial. Funny because it was male cow being brought to a farm where a bunch of female cows are. I don't know if it actually meant something. Every time Volkswagen gets 1,000 miles, 1 million, 100,000 miles, it's a big deal for the German engineers. It was kind of cool because they both had the same car, and one of them was saying, like, nice ride and all, but it didn't really make sense because they both had the same car, so. It was one of the cars that stops on its own when it senses something that's about to stop or come out in front. Since I'm only 9 years old, I don't understand cars as much. A show for what it was for or something, I don't know. Comment, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy, and see you guys later.